Okay, so next is after that is the ad group creation. So what is ad group creation? Ad group creation is primarily uh, creating ad groups similar to the search campaigns. The only difference over here is that in search campaign we use the themed keywords. Here we use the themed targeting, theme target audience, or some of the people also says profile targeting. So if we are targeting some exact profiles, then also this ad group is essential. Let's suppose in the case of our case, let's suppose I want to target digital marketeers, uh, or I want to target people who wants to learn digital marketing. That's three categories. The first category who wants to learn digital marketing is entrepreneurs. The objective of entrepreneurs to understand of them to is primarily that they want to understand how it works, how we can monitor the agencies, how we can manage the campaigns with the help of agencies, primarily that, and how we can save money. Whereas some working professionals, for them, it's upskilling. For students, they are free, wants to become freelancers. For them, the objective is different. So your target audience is different, and for this target audience, the communication will be different. For entrepreneurs, you will say in your ad that let's learn digital marketing, how to optimize, monitor your digital marketing agencies and internal marketing team performances. Okay, this is what we will train entrepreneurs. Second type of course would be for working professional or students, primarily those who wants to upskill and get a job. Third kind of people would be again office going and students who wants to do freelancing. So these are the three different kind of audiences. So this is three different kinds of profiles I have to create. Let's suppose I create a profile where I'm targeting business owners. Let's suppose. Okay, so I named my targeting ad as business owners. Then I will tell you how to do it and what are the targeting methods. Primarily over here, you have 5 to 6 targeting methods. The first targeting method is placement. Okay, what is placement? Placement, in this placement, you can specifically target the website, the YouTube channel, or videos or apps. All the three categories, you can target specific apps, specific website, and specific YouTube channels or videos. Those, only those who are part of Google Display Network. As I have explained you earlier as well, that in Google Display Network, uh, the ad, sorry, those sites which are a part of Google Display Network comes from Google AdSense, those who register for it. Okay, like India TV, let's suppose, although it's a weird example, but if I type India TV, you can see websites, India TV news, you can target. Okay, you want to target Ask, then it will start showing. Okay, now you can't see Ask over here. That means Ask is not available. Okay, so Ask is not available to target that. So you can search specific sites, type their URLs, type their video URLs, simply target them. Like let's say Times of India, India Times. Okay, this site I want to target. So I will copy this URL, put this URL over here and search it. You can't see their names. Did you see their names? No. That means that website is not with Google part of it. Okay. They may be through another Google uh, part, which is not for general audience. And this is I'm telling you because sometimes a lot of people ask, "Ki TOI on TOI, I can see ads of Google." Okay. Sometimes a lot of people say that they see ad of TOI, like even I have shown you. Okay, like this ad by TOI, but you can't see, you can't target TOI directly. Okay, okay, but you can't target TOI. So that is Google is another platform of targeting is double click. Okay, but double click can't be used by small business owners. The business owners who run ads for more than spending more than 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs a month, for them, double clicks work. Okay. They only give you account when you have that much amount of money to spend. If you have 1 lakh, 10,000, 20,000, then they don't give access to that platform. Okay. So that's why Times of India is running ads by Google, but through another platform, that is double click, not uh, the normal Google AdWords. Okay, so you can target specific website, specific channels like Aaj Tak channel, YouTube channel is there which you can target. Okay, Delhi Aaj Tak S Show, I don't know. Oh my God, such a huge viewership. Okay, Aaj Tak HD, Sorry, Stage, Sports, all their channels I believe you can target, and News Network 18 and all. Okay, these are the channels which you can target. Okay. Similarly, app you can target, like if I type Aaj Tak, why I'm taking example, it's easiest. Okay, so you can target their Apple app also. Okay, their Android app must be there. Yeah. Okay, so you can target their app. And when you start targeting, you will see a change over here. Okay. And the change will result into, earlier it was 10 billion times your ad can be shown. Now it can be shown only around 950 million times. Okay. And it is a weekly estimate, not a monthly estimate. This is the first option of targeting, that is placement. Second option of targeting is keywords. What is keyword targeting? Keyword targeting, Aditya, I will take your question in the end. Okay. Second type of targeting is you can type keywords like I want to run an ad for digital marketing course. So I type digital marketing course over here, and you can see people. If you select this keyword, you select this keyword, what this targeting does, nobody is searching here. Then how this targeting is work? This targeting is working in a fashion. If this keyword is coming on that particular page, let's say this page, then your ad will be displayed on it. Otherwise not. Okay. So that is how keyword targeting works.